A Chimineas fire pit is a front-loading fireplace or oven with a vertical vent or chimney. They may look more decorative than practical, but these uniquely shaped outdoor fireplaces do a lot more than tie your patio space together. There are many products available to choose Chimineas fire pit, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Chimineas fire pit from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bully Outdoors Fireplace Wooden Fire Pit. The Bully Outdoors Outdoor Fireplace Wooden Fire Pit is one of the most affordable cast iron chimneys on the market. Still, it is a surprisingly handsome and efficient 2-in-1 unit. So you'll have no trouble moving this unit around the outdoor space. Despite its compact footprint, the Bully Outdoors chimney is large enough to keep the entire crowd warm. That's partially because the whole perimeter of the firebox is covered in mesh. This gives you a 360-degree view of the fire inside, so that you can enjoy the fire from any angle. This feature also eliminates dangerous flyaway ash. This unit sits on 4 sturdy legs, and just beneath the cooking chamber, you'll find a large ash catcher. While most of the food and ash will burn up inside the chamber, this gives you added peace of mind when using it on wooden decks. Number 2. Sunite Modern Chimney. If you like sleek design, sturdy construction, and a consumer-friendly price tag, check out the Sunite Outdoor Chimney Fireplace. This is one of the nicer looking wood-burning chimney units. I like the sleek cylindrical design and the powder-coated finish, which gives this steel metal chimney all-weather protection. So you'll have no trouble moving this unit around or finding space for it amongst your furniture and cooler. I also like that this unit sits on 3 sturdy legs, which put the unit at just the right height, while also placing plenty of distance between the firebox and the deck. While some might prefer metal chimneys with a hinged safety door, I like the look of an open chamber. I also like that this unit has a 6-feet-tall smokestack, which keeps the smoke flowing upward, rather than towards guests. Unlike other outdoor chimneys, this one comes with a 4mm thick 15-diameter steel wood grate. This feature keeps wood elevated and air flowing to reduce smoke. Number 3. Prairie Chimineas Outdoor Patio Fireplace Fire Pit. The Prairie Cast Aluminum Chimineas Outdoor Fireplace is another one of my favorite models. This one stands out for its lifetime warranty, easy cleanup, and 2-in-1 grilling capability. Once the fire is going, this fire pit creates very little smoke. And what little it does produce is channeled upward, rather than out, thanks to the wide-mouthed chimney. I also like that this cast aluminum fire pit comes with a grilling insert, which allows you to shift from campfire to cooker in seconds. Those concerned about fire safety will be happy to know that this unit is both efficient and safe. This unit comes with a hinged safety door to prevent flyaway ash and sparks. And because the door is made of mesh, you can still roast marshmallows. This unit also sits on a sturdy tripod stand, which provides plenty of space between the fire and the patio. So you should have no problem using this unit on a wooden deck. Number 4. Bully Outdoors Wood-Burning Chimney. The Bully Outdoors Wood-Burning Chimney earns the Best Overall Choice Award for its consumer-friendly price, sturdy cast iron construction, and handsome design. There's a lot to like here. I like that this outdoor fireplace sits on 4 sturdy legs, putting the fire chamber at just the right height when you're sitting in a standard patio chair. This outdoor fireplace also comes with a removable ash catcher tray, which gathers any stray coals that might fall through the fresh air circulation compartment at the bottom of the heating chamber. This increases safety and eases cleanup. I also like that the entire perimeter of the fire chamber is covered in mesh. This gives you a 360-degree view of the fire inside, while also eliminating dangerous flyaway ash. This steel chimney also features a round roof with a rain cap, which protects the fire pit from the rain, and funnels smoke up and away from your guests. Number 5. Blue Rooster Grill Wood-Burning Chimney. The Blue Rooster Venetian Chimney is another one of my favorite outdoor backyard fireplaces. This unit earns high marks for its large capacity chamber and 2-in-1 grill fireplace design. Unlike other iron chimneys, this one can be used as a fire pit for burning wood or a traditional grill. To transform, just remove the chimney, drop your cast iron grates, fill the bowl with wood or charcoal, and get to work. This cast aluminum cooker also sits on a broad anti-tip base, which places plenty of space between the fire and your deck. If you're looking to give your patio or outdoor space an upgrade, the Blue Rooster cast aluminum fire pit will certainly help. I like the herbless design, which flows from the tip of the chimney to the base. This regal design is accentuated by the textured scrollwork you'll find on the lip, center, and top of the chimney. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.